Imagine you're at a cafe chatting with friends. You all support the same rugby team, agree on local issues and laugh at the same jokes. It feels great, right? But what if you only ever talk to those same friends in that same cafe? You'd never hear what other people think or see things from another side. That's kind of how the internet works. When you like a post or follow someone on social media, the algorithm, the techie bit, keeps serving you more of the same. It would be like being served exactly the same food in the cafe every time you went. Over time, what you see online becomes like an echo chamber, meaning you only hear ideas that echo what you already believe. So what's so wrong about that? Well, it means you miss out on other viewpoints, and it can make it seem like anyone who disagrees with your viewpoint is wrong, and it can create big divisions. This is called online bias, and it can divide communities. Think of it like walking through Aberdare Market. You wouldn't just visit the same stall every time, right? If you only ever stopped at the sweet stall, you might not realise there was a greengrocer around the corner. We need to be open to people with different opinions and experiences. In Wales, we pride ourselves on being strong, connected communities. Let's make sure that includes hearing all sides, even online.